My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Ppvt. Ppvt is the ransomware that is from the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover the data. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including all sorts of pictures, music, Microsoft Office data, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device, and after restarting their computers, users suddenly realize that they can no longer access their data. This Ppvt ransomware encrypts the files and damages them essentially, so it is not possible to use the data anymore. The ransomware then appends a special Ppvt extension to the file names, and it then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste the money. So don't pay that ransom. Don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating the system. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations on the device. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium. Premium license is what you need to remove the ransomware, but you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature that helps to protect the data in the future, but it doesn't decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files. Nevertheless, Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to fully detect and delete this ransomware. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover the data.